Hello everyone, I am Jyotsna Mandava from Visakhapatnam. I am the founder of iConnect, a blossoming corporate training institute. I am a certified trainer and facilitator. I have trained about 2000 employees on soft skills from various industries. I am very excited to be part of launching this MasterKey YouTube Live. My topic is soft skill trainer as a career option for women. The 20th century witnessed the advancement of women in corporate sector. For over 30 years now, women worked shoulder to shoulder with men in various organizations. This is the right time for women to explore many areas of profession, and training could be an exciting option. Training plays a vital role whenever a new skill is to be acquired or improve your knowledge or change your behavior. Let us look at the advantages of being a trainer. It can be a wonderful feeling to take control and manage your time and your work days, isn't it? Well, this profession offers you exactly that. It does take time to build up a client base, but being a trainer can be a profitable business. Chance to be creative with what you present to your audience. Also, it is an excellent opportunity to meet new people. Yes, it is a learning process for you too. You learn more about you in this profession. Let me also tell you a few traits of a trainer. You have to be a subject matter expert on whatever you train. And to become a subject matter expert, you have to read a lot of books. And whenever you are reading books, make sure you buy them. You build up your own library. The second thing is you should also possess a good communication skills and presentation skills. The audience you impart training have also to be kept in mind. A little humor while presenting will definitely be an advantage. Last but not the least, preparation is the key. Remember, only 3 P's will get you to this profession. Preparation, preparation and preparation. I have given you an overview of what this career could be, and I wish many budding aspirants will take up this career. There are also several institutes offering Train the Trainer certifications. I thank the team of MasterKey for giving me this opportunity and wishing them all the very best. Thank you.